Let A be a point on the line. R bar is equal to 1 minus 3 into mu into I. 1 minus 3 mu into I plus mu minus 1 into Z plus 2 plus 5 mu into K. And B 3 to 6 be a point in the space. Then value of mu for which the vector AB is parallel to the plane x minus 4y plus 3z is equal to 1 here. Means this is a line here. Okay, the line passing to the point A, and this is a plane here. Equation of the plane is x minus 4y plus 3z is equal to 1 here. The line passing to the point A parallel to this plane here. Then obviously the line is perpendicular to this normal here. Here normal is given by 1 minus 4j plus 3k, means I minus of 4j by plus 3k. It is a normal to this plane here, and these two are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, any point lies on the line is of the form. So R bar is equal to 1 minus of 3 mu into I plus mu minus 1 into Z plus 2 plus 5 mu into K with the given line here. With the given line here. Therefore, any point lies on the line is of the form 1 minus 3 mu comma mu minus 1 here comma 2 plus 5 mu here, 2 plus 5 into mu. Consider this part itself as a here. Let A is equal to 1 minus 3 mu minus of 1 here, 2 plus 5 mu here. Because you just observe here R bar is there. R bar can be written as xi plus yj plus zk. R bar is this one here, and this is equal to 1 minus 3 mu into I, then plus mu minus 1 into z plus 2 plus 5 mu here, 2 plus 5 mu into k here. Because here the vector R bar is xi plus yj plus zk here. Just use that vector R bar here. Then equating x, y and z coefficient here, x is equal to what here? 1 minus 3 into mu here. Then y is equal to mu minus of 1, and z is equal to 2 plus 5 mu. Therefore, x is 1 minus 3 mu, y is mu minus 1, z is 2 plus 5. Therefore, this point lies on the line. Okay. Therefore, and B already given here. Okay. And B is equal to 3 to 6 be the point in the space here. With the point in the space. Here the vector AB is parallel to the plane here. Since AB is parallel to the plane here, then AB is perpendicular to the normal n bar to the plane here. To the plane. Okay. So here there is a, consider this is a line here. Okay. This is the line here. Equation of the line is this here. They already given. Then here is the one more point B. Coordinate of B is 3, 2, 6 here. This line is parallel to this plane here. Okay, this is a given line passing to the point A. Coordinate of the point A is this one here. Okay, so this one A and this one is B. If you join it here, then you will get a line here. That line is parallel to the plane here. So if a line is parallel, then the normal and AB both are perpendicular here. So first you find your AB. Here you know AB bar is equal to OB minus OA. OB minus OA. Therefore, the vector AB is equal to, here part B is this one. OB minus OA means 3 minus of this here. So 3 minus of 1 minus 3 mu. 1 minus of 3 mu, comma 2 minus this here. 2 minus of mu minus 1, comma, and 6 minus of this here. So 6 minus of 2 plus 5 mu. Bracket completing. Therefore, this is equal to 3 minus 1 becomes 2 here. 2 minus of 3 into mu. Then take a minus inside here. 2 plus 1 becomes 3 minus of mu here. Then 6 minus 2 becomes 4. Okay. And here minus into minus becomes plus here. It is plus here. Then minus into plus minus 5 mu. 5 mu. That is 2 plus 3 mu into I plus 3 minus mu into Z plus 4 minus of 5 mu into K. This is the vector AB. Then AB is perpendicular to the normal here. Therefore, since AB perpendicular to the vector n bar here. N bar is this here, I minus 4j plus 3k. Vector AB is this one. 2 plus 3 mu into 1 here. 2 plus means a dot product must be 0 here. AB dot of n bar is equal to 0. So 2 plus 3 mu into 1. Okay, right here 1 plus 3 minus mu here. 3 minus mu into this 4 minus 4. So right here minus of 4 plus 4 minus 5 mu here. 4 minus of 5 mu into this 3 here. That is equal to 0. Then you simplify here. So 2 plus 3 mu into 1 becomes 2 plus 3 into mu here. 4th is 12. Minus of 12. Minus into minus becomes plus 4 into mu. Then 3 4s are 12. Plus 12 minus 5 is 15. So 15 mu is equal to 0. Now you simplify. So plus 12 and minus 12 get cancels here. Then 3 mu plus 4 7 here. Minus 15 plus 7 is minus of 8 here. So therefore minus of 8 mu. Then the remaining is 2 is there. Plus 2 is equal to 0. Hence 8 mu is equal to 2 here. Therefore the mu is equal to 1 divided by 4 here. So 1 by 4 is the answer here. First option 1 by 4. The plane passing to the point of 4 minus 1 and 2 and parallel to the lines x plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to y minus 2 divided by minus 1 is equal to z plus 1 by 2 and x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus 3 by 2 is equal to z minus 4 upon 3 also passing to the point here. 4 options are there. Meaning here, so there is a one plane here. Okay, here is the plane Then this is a one line here, and this is a one more line. Consider L1 and L2 here. Both lines are parallel to this plane here. Okay, consider this plane itself here. Okay, here is the plane here. One line is like this here. Both are parallel to each other. Consider this is a plane here. Then one line is this one, the other line is like this here. Both are parallel to this plane only. Both are parallel to the plane here. Therefore, here this is a plane and both lines are parallel to this plane here. L1 and L2. So this is L1 and this is a L2 here. If L1 is a line here, then this is a vector here. This is a vector. V1 bar. Whose direction ratios are 3, -1, 2 here. 3, -1, 2. Okay. So similarly, this is a line here. Then this is the vector here. This is a vector V2 bar here. This is a vector parallel to this line here. Okay. Whose direction ratios are 1, 2, 3 here. Then this is the vector here. It is the n bar. N bar is the vector perpendicular to both the B1 as well as B2 here, as well as this plane also. So n bar is given by B1 cross B2. B1 cross of B2. And this plane passing to the point here. They already given. Point is 4, -1 and plus 2 here. 4, -1 plus 2. So consider this point as x1, y1 and z1 here. This is a point x1 and z1. And b1 means direction ratios are a1, b1 and c1 here. Direction ratios of b2 are a2, b2, c2. The plane passing to the point x1, y and z1 parallel to two lines here. Suppose the direction ratios a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. The equation of this plane is given by the formula x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, then a1, b1, c1, then a2, b2, c2, that is equal to 0. So you are using this formula here. R bar minus of a bar dot of b1 cross of b2 is equal to 0. R bar minus a bar dot of here b1 cross b2 is what here? N bar here. So R bar minus a bar dot of n bar, this is n bar here, is equal to 0. We are using this formula to find the equation of the plane here. Therefore, required plane is R bar minus of a bar dot of b1 cross of b2 is equal to 0, where the vector a bar is 4i minus j plus 2k, and the vector b1 bar is equal to 3i minus of j here plus 2k, and the vector b2 bar is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay, here this is nothing but determinant of x minus x1 here, that is ix minus of 4, y minus y1, y minus of this is minus 1 here, z minus of z1 is 2 here. Okay, 4 minus 1 2 use here. Then a1 b1 c1 means 3 minus 1 2 here. So 3 minus 1 plus 2, this one. Then 1 2 3 means these are denominator terms here. 1 2 3, these are direction ratios here. Now you simplify. So x minus 4 into minus 1 into 3 becomes minus of 3 minus of 2 2s of 4 here. Minus of y plus 2 into bracket 3 3s are 9. 1 into 2 becomes 12. n plus z minus 2 into 3 2s are 6 minus of 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1 minus minus plus 1 is equal to 0. Then minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 minus 7 into x minus of 7x. Otherwise keep as it is x minus 4 into minus of 7 minus y plus 2 into 9 minus 7 2 becomes 7 here. Then plus z minus 2 9 6 plus 1 becomes 7 that is equal to 0. Yes, dividing both sides by minus 7. Dividing both sides by minus 7 cancels here. Remaining here x minus 4 minus 7 and minus 7 cancels. Then y plus 2 here. So 7 and minus 7 cancel. Remaining here minus z plus 2 minus z plus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, x plus y minus z minus of z. Then 2 plus 2 becomes 4. 4 minus 4. So actually there is a 1 is there. Yes, is not 2 here, is 1. Here also 1 here. Therefore this becomes 1. Then 2 plus 1 3 minus 4 plus 3 becomes minus of 1 is equal to 0. Therefore you just observe here minus 1 here minus 1 plus 1 it cannot be 0. Then take a second part here 1 1 then minus alpha is become plus 1 here minus of 1 again it cannot be 0. Then take this part here 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 so it becomes a 0. So this part lies on the line. Therefore 1 1 1 lies on this plane here. The equation satisfied here by the point 1 1 and 1 here. Therefore C correct option is